Hey, this is Bruce from This and That and Other Things. So today we're going to do a little bit of the camping thing, and we're going to go through a local park, state park in Nebraska. So if you're ever traveling on Highway 20 and you're going through Ainsworth, Nebraska, heading towards Long Pine, Nebraska, a good stop that you might want to stop at if you're dry camping, because it doesn't have any hookups or utilities or anything like that. It's strictly dry camping. It's a really nice park to go to, and it's a state park of Long Pine. So it's called the Long Pine SRA if you're trying to look it up on Nebraska's website. So we'll be approaching that shortly, and then we'll get the camera turned on and show you kind of what it looks like. So if you're ever in the area and you want to do a little camping there and don't mind to do a little primitive, it's a pretty cool place to be. There's a beautiful creek that goes right through it. So, but anyway, we're going to pause this, and then we'll get it re-going. All right, so we're on the road to there. We're on the Highway 20, and it goes down into a little bit of a canyon, and we're going to come back out of it. We'll be turning off here shortly to go to the Long Pine State Park. So there's the sign. Now we're going to be turning into here. Come up a hill. The word is, here's the sign. So the word is that the Nebraska State Park is going to be doing some upgrades. So there's what it cost this year to get in here. So it's a state park, so you have to buy a state park pass to get in. But anyway, the word is that they're doing some improvements and going to bring some electricity down to the park, which is going to be a really cool thing to draw more people to the park, because they've never had that ever. And this is a nice place to go camping, but you know, electricity would be nice. There is water here, but you have to fill up and then park your camper and use your bladder system. There is all kinds of wildlife here. I don't know if we'll see any. And there are camping spots along here, so it's a no reserve camping, so you come and pick a spot. Here's another camping spot. So, you know, it's probably not made for real big campers. You know, you probably could get maybe a 20-foot camper down in here, some spots. Not real level camping pads, so you're gonna probably need to get your camper blocked up a little bit when you get it parked, if you wanted to use some of the camping pads that they have here. Looks like there's somebody using some of the facilities here. It does have restrooms here, so it does have that. That's the fee staying here. This is the main park here where you can camp and share it with others. So like I said, there's no pads down here. You just kind of pick a spot, park. It's got a shelter here. I'm going to get out and take a picture here. All right, so I'm going to do a little walking, show you guys a picture of the creek. It's a beautiful creek. There's trout in here, so if you guys are into fishing, try your luck at little trout fishing. Yeah, a lot of people go tubing down this creek. There's places that you can rent tubes if you want to go tubing. The creek is super clear. It is spring fed. This is the shelter. Got a couple fire pits, picnic table, a little sandy beach. Another view of the creek. And so this goes quite a ways. I mean, what we're showing here is where you can camp, but there's tent places that you can camp at. So if you're into tent camping, there's lots of places for that to do as well. So anyway, it goes way back in there, guys. So all right, now we're leaving this bottom part. And more restrooms here. I didn't let you guys know there is not a dump station here. So if you need to dump, you'll probably need to go to another town or go up into a local town, which is Long Pine. I think there might be a dump station there. I'm not positive. Looks like there's somebody playing down in there. But if you're lucky enough, you'll see turkeys here, you'll see deer here, running through here. It's kind of probably the most common wildlife that you may see. There's lots of birds, woodpeckers, and all that other flying birds that are around here. Orioles, if you like orioles, they'll be around here. Here's another camping pad. Like I said, guys, again, they're not real big, large pads, so You know, I wouldn't probably bring your 30-foot camper down here. That just probably wouldn't work at all. Unless you go all the way to the bottom, then you'll probably be fine down there. But the little pads are just not that large. All right, we're coming out of the bottom. So the Game and Parks has been doing lots of tree trimming around here. All right, so that's half of the park. There's another part of the park we'll go to, just kind of give you a quick glimpse of that. But it is a very quiet park, guys, and if you're looking for peace and quiet and beautiful scenery, I mean, this is a place to be. Now, maybe if you got a big camper, I don't know if you could park above here on the road, but maybe you can. Sorry for the wobbliness. I'm just hanging onto the camera with my hand. More scenery. Okay, here is another camping pad. Again, guys, it's not real large, but you probably could park parallel here if there wasn't anybody else next to you. Another pad. You know, you probably could get a bigger camper right in here. You know, not terribly large. This is a real small pad here. And then this is just loop. Oh, deer, guys. You see that? Wildlife. There you go. There goes a deer. A little loop to go down and come back around. Another pad. Well, if you can see the deer or not. With the sun shining down. Another pad, like I said, again, they're not real large. Little outhouse. It'll be an outhouse, guys. Another little off pad here. Anyway, so there is Lone Pine State Park. Again, it's a primitive park, so just be in mind of that if you're wanting to camp here and just do a little dry camping, or you're just passing through and just need a place to park it and enjoy the nature of things. Pretty nice place to be. Well, so that kind of concludes that quick little tour through this little park. I hope you guys enjoy this. What I did here, I mean, I can do other little parts and maybe try to be better professional on the camera thing. I was just passing by and I thought I would just do a little tour of this and show you guys what's out here. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you would. Pass it on to your friends. That would sure helps out a lot. And until next time, thank you for watching.